Hello, my name is Jennifer Mueller and this is my manipulative presentation idea.
Hello students, today we will be learning about subtraction and we will be using the manipulative method, and by that I mean using materials for you to understand better the subject. In this case it will be subtraction. So we have here a couple of problems. You guys have your worksheet and I will be demonstrating for you all exactly how we will be doing this. So each of you have 12 pieces of red polka dot squares. So that's what we will be using. That's our manipulative material that we'll be using to learn subtraction. So here are your 12 polka dot squares. And then what we'll be doing is we'll be doing one by one problem. And we will be helping each other out as a class. So for every problem, we'll be putting our little squares on the bottom of each of our problems. So let's say we're going to do the first one. So it's 5 minus 3. Can anyone tell me what the answer for that one is? It's alright. We will learn together and find out. So, if it's 5 minus 3, we will be putting 5 squares on that side. We have 4 there. And then 5. So the 5s will go on this side. And then we'll put our 3s on this side. 1, 2, 3. You guys have more space on your paper, so you can either glue them, 5 on this side, 3 on this side, and so we will count. So there's 5 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 3. So we're taking away sorry guys, I'm confusing you. So there's 5, correct? And someone, well, the problem wants to take away 3. So then we take away 3. 1, 2, 3. What am I left with, guys? That's right. We only have 2 red polka dot squares in the end. So our answer is 2. So then we go to our next problem. And we will do the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And we will not be gluing them, my mistake, because we need to be subtracting. So we have 7 red polka dot squares here. Now help me out, take 4 out. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we no longer have these. They're out. So what's my total then, guys? 1, 2, 3. That's correct. So 7 minus 4 gives us 3. And then we have our last problem. It's a little tough one. Has more polka dot squares. So far we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So you have 9 red polka dot squares. This problem is asking us to subtract minus 1. So I guess it's not that hard. Our last problem after all, right? So then we just subtract 1, and we're left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we know now that 9 minus 1 equals 2. 8. So that's our end of the lesson, guys. I think we pretty much get the concepts of subtracting. And if anything, any questions, let me know and I will go through these problems or other problems as well. Thank you for paying attention, and you may finish the rest of your problems you have in your worksheet.
And that was the end of my lesson. I feel like it was a good idea. At the moment I didn't have materials, so I had to improvise, and that's what I did. I pretty much created red polka dot squares, and pretty much it's just for them to understand and see for themselves that what the answer really is. I really enjoyed this little assignment, and I'm looking forward to using many manipulative objects in my future classroom.